Hello guys. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can undo membership cancellation on your Netflix account. So if you had cancelled your membership on Netflix and you'd like to restore your account so that you remain with your history and you continue paying for your subscription, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. Now there are two ways you can do this. First, if you are able to log into your account, you can do it. And second, if you are unable to do it, I'll also show you another alternative. Go ahead and log into your Netflix account. And from here, go ahead and head over to your profile here and go to account. Now under account, go to membership. And then down here, as you can see, my membership is already cancelled. But if I want to undo cancellation, head over down here and you should see undo cancel request. This will restore your account together with your previous watch history and saved movies and TV shows. That is the first method. Now in the second method, just go to your email and you should be able to get the cancellation email that you received. For instance, this is my cancellation email that I received when I cancelled my subscription. To undo it, go ahead and click on undo, and this will redirect you to your account to activate your membership and continue watching Netflix, TV shows and series. So that's how you can undo your cancelled membership on Netflix account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.